let's have more examples about named tuple. For example, if we have users profiles, list contains tuples, represent users profiles, just like profiles equal, just like this, John, age, for example, 20, 25, gender, male, and email, john@test.com. Duplicate this. 2, 3, Angela, female, Angela, Adam, 27, for example, 29, male, and the last one is Adam. Update this name, profiles. What about use unpacking to unpack values from tuples? Just like we did before. For first value represents the ID. Second one represents username, username, age, gender, and the last one represents the email. Then profiles equal, actually we need to import Namedtuple from collection module. From collections, import Namedtuple. Namedtuple takes parameters, type name, and the fields. In our case, type name profile, fields equal ID, second value is username, second field username, third field is age, next one gender, and the last one represents the email. Profile equal instantiate an object, ID equal ID, username equal username, for example age equal age, and gender equal gender, email equal email, parent info, profile dot ID, profile dot, for example username, or ordering actually not important in this case. That's why we use Namedtuple to use key value, not index. So actually profile gender, for example profile dot username, run, and what about to break line, just like we did before. This means duplicate this character 50 times, just like we did before. Run again. Yes, first one ID 1, 2, 3. What about to just, as we discussed before about ordering is not important. So actually we did this, and the result will be the same. Yes, it works. At the next lesson, we will learn more examples about Namedtuple. So if you have any problems, just let me know. Thank you.